What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Fourth time today. I'll be making these all public when I upload them. What did I tell you? I'll be making yesterday's upload too. Just to show like she already did the shit yesterday. I'm gonna be making a police report this week on her. I already talked to the police officer. So I'm gonna go down to the station and make a report. I'll be making all the vacuuming. I also have like slamming and stuff, but I'm gonna keep those private for right now. So this is the fourth time she vacuumed today. Like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. And she vacuumed yesterday in here for 45 minutes. And then she vacuumed again at 9 o'clock. So it's not like, oh, she can't even say like, I was doing the extra cleaning this day. No, you're doing this shit again. And I'm reporting it to the police like I'm done. And if Narcissist wants to fucking keep fucking with me, she's gonna get sued. She's the one with the fucking attitude. And knows, been told this stuff's been going on and does nothing. Nothing. And acts like she's not obligated when you are obligated. This is a violation of the lease agreement. I'm not getting quiet enjoyment of my apartment. She needs to be sued. That's all I know she's going on. You have to touch base with the housing lawyer. Because this is like abuse. Like if this was like a working environment, right? You could go to HR and sue. If this was a relationship, you could get a fucking restraining order. I know you're missing a lot because I'm not making everything public yet. I'll be making these public though. And I am making a police report. It doesn't matter if they do anything. and I'm bringing my witness. There's no reason you have to vacuum 4 times in a day and twice yesterday. There's none. And she does this every now and then. Actually, after this, depending when she stops, I'm gonna text the person who's supposed to be talking to the housing lawyer for me. Because it's not just this, they're like slamming on the floor all fucking day now for a week. She started with the fucking slamming shit on the floor. Oh, I guess she's dropping sodas. Like I said, you'll know when I make that fucking public. I have a lot of like uploads. They're just private, but I'm gonna make these public because I'm fucking sick of this shit, and I'm making a police report. She needs to get a fucking job because she runs the water all fucking day and vacuums. That's all she does. Who's paying for that? The vacuum, like I said, it runs your fucking electricity bill. And the water bill, she don't pay. And at this point, I don't care. I'm not the one paying the water bill. You want them to let you run your water? Fuck it for hours? That's your problem. Don't fucking expect me to pay for it because it's not gonna happen. I'm gonna be like, we're going to court because I want a judge to see all this. I want a judge to see all this, like, so badly. Because nobody in their fucking right mind thinks this is okay. Nobody. Everybody thinks this is fucking fucked up.
Everybody's gonna be wearing them. Yeah, I can get used to it.
Know where my security deposit is invested in. I never got a letter about that, and we're gonna be looking into that too. It has to have been since that date.
I'm sorry. I wasn't the only one who phoned that night. I know you didn't post it. I just gotta withdraw the car house to film that stupid commercial with my dad. I'm making my grandmother's stuff. I
slam on the floor or she's doing this. Like, trust me, I would rather not be doing this. But I don't get any peace in my apartment at all. And you are entitled to quiet enjoyment of your apartment. Or else I could put my rent in escrow. Because I'm not getting that and I am getting harassed. And then I ask a question and then I'm told I'm giving attitude like, what the fuck? Like, I'm sorry. This is going somewhere. The court. It's the only thing that people understand it. And I'm tired of paying out money to live like this. And I'm definitely, the fucking shit I've had to deal with, I am definitely taking a pound of flesh. You're not gonna get away with it.
I don't know. I haven't talked to him like a year.
Not hard to be decent to people. You didn't do the required of fucking, you did the bare minimum, and it was probably like, yeah, fuck her, do whatever you want, you're allowed to. No, you're not.
Ryan's here. Can you at least try and seem like you're not a dick?
I'm nice to him, okay? Ryan's fine, he's harmless. And
You're not allowed to just fucking harass people. You're not allowed to.
I just have nothing to talk about with the guy. It's just like, he's kind of boring.
Well, maybe if you make a bit of an effort. I mean, he's a good guy. He hasn't just ghosted me yet, so he's front runner. Hey.
Don't answer. Fucking ridiculous. I'm just. I was supposed to make a report a couple days ago, but I am going to be making a report on it.
This isn't right, Matt, honey. You actually have to wait your turn here.
So what are you guys doing for the Pats Steelers game? Watching my place. That sounds fun. You could totally do that, or you could watch it with me on the 50-yard line. Wait, no, bro, are you serious? Hey, that's so stupid. You guys probably I like this guy. I think I'm.
Not necessarily that she stopped. She could start again, but we'll do a part.
Could I do the vanilla frap? All right, you want Jimmy's on it? Extra
Garlic knots. The garlic knots.
This isn't Papa